Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Chester. My name is Chester and today I'm here to showcase to you my first altcoin of the day that I've picked today, and that is BNB. I'm not going to hang about here. Let's just get straight into it. We're going to start off here for a nice price prediction update here on the daily. As you can see, humongous symmetrical triangle chart pattern playing out from the all-time high for BNB, sat at around that 680, 700 sort of mark there. You can see the level of resistance that we are finding along these zones when we do hit that. As the start of September has prevailed, it absolutely pulled us right the way back down right at this point in time. We've seen quite a lot of pumps to the upside over the last day or so for BNB, and that's actually brought us to this major trend line from the all-time high there, which if we can break here and find a nice breakout scenario, we could be looking at a huge move to the upside here for BNB, and this is going to be a really progressive breakout scenario here. In terms of a measure move for this move, we could be doing something along the lines of this, guys. Obviously, this is not a greedy measure move. This is a very realistic measure move. If we are going to get into any sort of long position, guys, we stagger our take profits all the way up coming through here. In terms of percentages for this potential move coming through for Binance Coin here, it's going to be around a 29.27% move there. Pretty crazy stuff indeed. Let's jump down to the 4-hourly time frame now. You've got a little bit of a gauge from that. The 4-hour time frame, as you can see at this point in time, guys, same scenario coming through as we are getting above this major trend line down from the all-time high. As you can see here, we do have quite a big range to play with. Quite a big range that we were in. I know we did lose it in September here, but from here, we've actually reclaimed it, and you can see this amazing bounce point that we actually took full advantage of yesterday in terms of a long position coming through there. As you can see, the support along this zone is very strong. It's very strong indeed, and as I said, we did just see that yesterday, and you can see the bounce up in terms of the momentum towards that. The top side of that range is going to be around this zone. In terms of a price for that, it's going to be around $500, $505, that sort of area, but you can see the resistance we have there, guys. And if we are going to be looking for any sort of massive long position coming through from the breakout of the symmetrical triangle on the longer term time frame, then this is definitely going to be a take profit point for us. The reason for this is, guys, is because we're likely to get some sort of reversal still sat in this sort of range area coming through here. So yeah, that's definitely why we would be doing that. Just going to bring up the RSI coming through here on the 4-hourly, because as you can see here, guys, we are setting a bearish divergence coming through, and we know what that means. It means we're looking for a bit more of a reversal in the price. But to be honest with you, I'm not surprised at all, because we've literally gone parabolic over the last day or so, in the last literally like maybe 12 to 18 hours there. It's been pretty crazy stuff in terms of actual price, in terms of percentages from now to now in terms of live price. We're up around 17% for BNB in the space of a day or so. Pretty crazy stuff indeed. Let's jump to the daily and look at these daily candles here. Really steep. If we get a daily candle close above this trend line, as I was saying, it's going to be very good for a nice long position coming up there. Let's jump back down to the 4-hourly, because you've got, as I said there, a bearish divergence coming through, and also we need to take into consideration, if we are going to dump here and we are going to see resistance coming through from the symmetrical triangle here on the longer term time from that downward sloping support line, as currently support, and if we lose it, it will be resistance. But as you can see, if we do dump down, we've got a heavy level of support on the RSI to basically catch us if we fall. It's going to catch us if we fall, and as you can see, it has happened multiple times before here, so it's definitely a point to be referencing for the future there, for you BNB traders out there. Jumping through to the MACD here. I don't want to keep you guys too long, but as you can see here, guys, we've got a reversed trend cycle coming through on the MACD in terms of a trend line. You can see that the reversal of these trends along this zone in terms of these uptrends, right? It's happened quite a few times here. As you can see, we're literally on the cusp of potentially either breaking this to the upside or having that trend reversal, having that rejection in the price, having this resistance line play out there. It's quite a scarce zone right now for BNB, so it's definitely a point to be watching, definitely a piece of information to be using here, guys. And let me jump down to the hourly time frame, see if we can get a bit of a better gauge to see what's happening there. But to be honest with you, this is pretty much what we've got to work with, just because of that insane pump to the upside coming through there. As you can see, guys, we have got the volume weighted ATR band as well. If we can get a nice 4-hourly candle close above that as well, it's going to be ideal for us there. Let's jump down to the hourly, see if we can get a gauge on what's happening there. Nothing too crazy. What I would say is a bit of a symmetrical triangle chart pattern coming through there, and that's obviously at the top of an uptrend, guys, and that basically means it's a bullish pennant chart pattern coming through there. So yeah, we could probably do it, obviously going on candle bodies here, guys. Let me get rid of this indicator so it's a bit more visually appealing for you guys there. As you can see, their trend line coming down from this high point in terms of candle bodies there, and obviously very steep indeed. Yet it's still a symmetrical triangle chart pattern, still a bullish pennant chart pattern. It basically means continuation to the upside, guys. So we are potentially going to be looking at continuation to the upside there. But as I said, be wary of those bearish divergence coming through there on the 4-hourly. I know they don't always play out, but hey, definitely a piece of information to keep in your back pocket. And that's going to be it from me in terms of the BNB update, guys. I stream every single day, Monday to Friday, every single morning. I do 3 altcoins of the day every single day, and also BTC update, midterm, short-term, long-term. And also, guys, I do have a premium scout package, 5 trades a day, 25 trades a week, 100 trades a month. At this point in time, there is a free trial. You guys can take a basically have a 7-day free trial on that, but it is £19.99 a month if you guys did want to go check that out as well. Link is in the description on the website. But yeah, for now, it's going to be peace out and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.